Good morning, everybody. It is 5:10 in the morning, August 22nd, and it is period 2 opening day, which by that I mean period 2 of gator permits for Florida, which is me, a phase 2, period 2 permit holder. So today we are going out chasing some gators. I'll see you on the boat. We spotted the gator we were after at first light. Unfortunately, after a failed baiting attempt, we decided to move closer and try to call and snatch hook the gator when it resurfaced. Yeah, that's her. Calling sequence was of no enticement to the gator, though as we were sitting quiet figuring out our next move, bubbles on the bottom of the pond gave away his position. I don't know if that's her or... Nope, that's her. Get the harpoon, get the harpoon.
Sticks on top?
Yep, sticks on top.
Alright.
Yep, there you go, you got it. Just be careful, be careful.
I'm good. Good thing we're not stuck.
Lord help us. Just be careful so you don't try to jump up in there. Coming up a little bit. I throw it like a foot past my line. You know I'm hooked on her somewhere, right at the base of this, so just throw it past. There you let it sink, let it sink, let it sink all the way. All the way. Alright, just pull easy. There, you got her. You got her? You got her? Hold on to her. Don't try to horse her in, just hold. Just hang on. Hang on to her. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Just... You still got her?
Yes.
She's getting tired. Just make sure you keep tension on that. Yep. Don't try to horse her up, just...
I got tension.
Okay. Yes, that's why I just got to keep that tension. Be careful, be careful. Still got hold to her?
Yeah. She's way over here now.
Okay, yeah, I still got her. Yep. I'm getting so much daggum grass on this thing.
Yeah,
And the grass can get us knocked off, so we gotta try to... Lord help us. What?
She's pulling that way. The rope's pulling that way.
Okay, yeah, she's pulling us.
She's right here under us now.
Okay.
I'm trying to get on the same side.
Correct. I know, that's the issue right now.
You might be able to spin around and come to this side. Yeah, as hard as she pulled us.
Yeah. Yeah, she's still on there.
She's definitely still on there.
I think.
Oh yeah, she's gone.
She ain't on mine.
Huh?
She ain't on mine.
She's on mine.
All right, just try to hold as much as you can there. Gotta get this.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's in.
All right, just try to. We gotta get this back in her.
Oh yeah. That's gotta be her, not the grass, right? Oh shit.
Is that her?
Tail, dude. See it? See your tail?
Watch your feet, watch your feet, watch your feet. Watch
See your tail?
Yes, yes, yes. I gotta get more of a...
I know. Dude, I'm reaching down.
Yeah.
I'm trying to grab her. That's the move. All right, see how her tail is this way? So she's under the boat. Her back, the back of the tail is right here.
Yep.
Oh, you're on the tail. Go back on this side, roll it, reel it in. Go this way. Her tail is this way. So her body is underneath the boat. This is the tip of her tail.
So what are you saying to do?
I'm saying
drop my
her
hook
body's
where?
like this.
Right, so I was gonna go around drop it here, put the rod around here, and then reel it.
Okay. There it is. Yep. There it is. Her feet are right there.
Yeah, I see it. I'm gonna try to harpoon her.
Okay. Give me that.
You got it?
Yep.
You sure?
I got it.
Watch your feet when I stick this in her. You're standing on it. Right foot.
I'm off. I'm off.
Just let me know if I have to take that rod from you.
Okay.
Do you want me to try to get that rod to be on this side?
Yeah. She's fighting against both. All right.
Come up front. You're good. Stay where you're at.
All right. There she comes. Here she comes. All right. She's about to be upside down.
Yes.
Okay. She's under the boat again. Oh, there's her feet. Her head's behind me.
Okay.
See her foot
I
right
see a
here?
back foot. I need more of that back foot and I can get the harpoon in the leg.
You want me to take the rod?
Watch your hand. Let go of it.
I'm gonna, yeah, do that. There you go. Her head might come up right here.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Her head comes up right here. You got a better. We have her like this. Try to paddle that way to expose her leg. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I just actually thought about something. I have this hook in here.
Oh, yeah.
I just thought about it.
Pull her tail this way to pull her foot out.
Now this doesn't have a barb, it's just a straight.
Right, but it's still, just make sure you don't grab the line. There you go. Kind of adjust her.
I can't see enough of her.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this. You take this line and you take the rod,
okay.
Keep it tight, and I'll harpoon her.
Well,
because I'm on this side. I'll be on this side, and I'll be able to. I'll move her tail, and then I'll harpoon her. Because
okay.
You had an exposed part. Yep. You had an exposed part, and then she went under because of the.
I don't even know if this is still on her, honestly. How heavy?
Huh?
No, we're good. Watch your feet. Where the leg meets the body, right in the armpit.
Right in the armpit?
Armpit as hard as you can.
Pull it up.
Is it in her? You sure?
All right.
Grab that. Holy freaking crap.
You got to do it in the back of the head, right?
Yeah, I got to get the back of the head.
Not even, you can't do it in the mouth, like underneath? Okay. Okay, do you want me to pull?
I mean, yeah, you
I can
can.
pull, but I don't want to, like, you tell me when. The only problem is when I pull, she's gonna flip back over.
Yeah. I'm trying to grab here. I'm trying to spin the body around. Like grab it from the back And
why don't you do it that way, because the hooks are on this side.
So what are you saying?
Flip the body that way, because if you flip it this way, then the hooks are going to follow. Does that make sense? The hooks are on this side. I harpooned her on this side, so it's right here.
Okay.
See how her head's that way?
Yep. Right here. Stay still.
Yes.
Not there yet.
Her foot is grabbing.
Yes, it's okay. Watch your eyes. Oh, you jerk. Hang on. Hang on.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I got it.
Now just hang on.
I'm good.
She might not be dead. Just hang on. Just hang on.
I'm good.
Her up too.
I'm pulling on her.
Right.
I'm pulling her up. Do you want me to let her?
Nope. Hold. Just hold.
Yeah,
Just hold what you got. Make sure nothing comes out.
I'm gonna keep pulling on her.
Just wait. I gotta see where I hit.
Oh, dude.
That looks like a money shot to me. Let me wait.
Like a money shot to
Wait.
me.
Just don't get excited yet.
I'm not excited,
You gotta get.
but I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna pull.
Just hang what you got.
I'm right here, bro.
Just
We're
making sure
freaking in this one, dude. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Hang on.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Exit wound on that one, dude. Need help?
No, I got it.
All right. You look good. You look good doing it. The vascularity on the arms. I mean, I know the GoPro's picking that up right now.
Oh yes. Toxic masculinity at its finest, brother.
This is it right here, son. All right, I'm gonna lean this way.
I got it. Pull it.
Oh, that's where the harpoon is too.
Yep.
That's a good harpoon. I don't know what you're talking about. Look at that.
Woo! Give me some, bro.
Get some, baby. Get some. Look at this thing. You can't get better. Yes. Hold on. Waffle House strong, baby. Let's go.
Waffle home. I gotta pee. The other gators, when you snatch them, they take off.
Look at this. Watch this. Now I haven't gone, like, no water came in here. That is sweat.
That's disgusting. Dude, this gator's,
How big you think this thing is?
I'm gonna say 10.
Bro.
10. This 12-foot boat, so.
Yeah.
And her tail's hanging off the side back in.
Dude. Today was the day. Oh man.
3 years in the making.
3 years and we came back, baby.
3 years. Phase 2, second week.
Wow. Hold on, let me tie my belt.
Look at that gator's head, son.
Bro. This is crazy.
You understand we started at the far end.
Yeah. And we went all the way to the edge.
Dude, when she took me into the brush,
We were in the brush.
I was
there
like,
was a branch.
she took my side into the
brush.
I was like, that's it, it's over. Because I was about to be just.
And then we got the other hook in her, and that's what she flipped.
Yeah, that's when she flipped the switch. I'm glad we did. Because if we wouldn't have got that second hook, she would have got off on the first one.
Yeah. Oh man.
I made that shot like 3 foot underwater too. I was going for what I thought I saw.
Dude, it was like
I was trying to get her where she was like 6 inches under.
Yeah.
And then when the way she was acting, I was like, there's no way. I've got to get something in her.
Over 9, under 10. At like
Yeah.
right between.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, that looks good right there, son. Ready? Feel it moving?
Yeah. That's so weird.
Ready?
There it is.
Bada boom, bada bing.
definitely ain't lighter than swole before.
No, it ain't. Go ahead.
Some folks are born made to wave the flag. Ooh, they're red, white, and blue. And when the band plays, they'll beat the chief. Ooh, they point the cannon at you. Now, it ain't me. It ain't me.
I'm 6 foot.
I ain't no senator,
I'm 6 foot.
Oh, I know.
That's minimum.